Right, today we're cleaning some carpet tiles, and I thought I would do a kind of a before and after. Now this is the main entrance to the room, and there's the entrance there. They have put some barrier matting down here, but unfortunately it's not capturing all the dirt that's been tracked in, as you can see there. So what we're going to do, we're going to extract this area here, and then we're going to extract this area here as well, which is quite heavily soiled. And the rest of it, we're going to use our Cymex machine, which is over there, the big yellow machine over there, and we are going to encapsulate clean these carpet tiles. Embedded soils. And look at that, what a difference. Right, well, we've cleaned one half of this portion of the room using our Cymex machine, and you can clearly see a line along there where the Cymex has cleaned one half and the other half is awaiting cleaning. All done. Now I can tell you now that if compared to steam cleaning alone, steam cleaning would have overwet these carpet tiles. These carpet tiles would have taken hours and hours, probably a day or two to dry. And the problem is, when you steam clean a carpet tile, all the compacted soil that you haven't managed to release from the tile will wick to the surface. And before you know it, the tile will turn brown. And then you've got a real problem on your hands, because then the entire carpet's got to be re-cleaned. So with this method, not only does the carpet look clean, this is exactly how it will dry. It will dry exactly like this. Okay, and talking about drying, I always say around about an hour. Usually it's about an hour. And we're going to move all the tables and chairs over to the other side of the room, or the tables and chairs that we moved from this side of the room, we're going to move it back. Okay, and try and leave the room as we found it. Now, the only steam cleaning that we've actually done has been on the high traffic areas, like the entrance here. Okay, sometimes it's unavoidable. You have to release that dirt that's compacted into the tile, but then what we do is we end cap over the top of it, and that solves the problem of wicking, browning. Okay, remember, this is the main traffic area from the rear entrance of the building, and we've managed to clean all that. Okay, always choose the right cleaning method for the carpet. There isn't one cleaning method, there's several, and we will always choose the most suitable. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you do have a carpet, or if you have a carpet, let's say in an office or a school or whatever, and you're sick and tired of damp carpets, or wet carpets I should say, from steam cleaning, give us a call. Let's see if we can do a better job.